Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Grindr account in 2023. First, let us open the Grindr app, then log in your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon on the top left. Then go to settings. After that, just scroll down to the bottom until you see the delete profile. Then it will ask you the reason why you want to delete your profile. You can pick any reason why, but you can also just skip it. Then you will need to type how you think they can improve their system. I just type anything here, then click next. Lastly, you need to type here delete in all caps. It will ask for the last confirmation before deleting the account. Make sure your decision is final, that you want your profile to be deleted. And that's how to delete your Grindr account in 2023. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.